Alright, so isang magandang tanghali po sa ating lahat. Good afternoon, everyone! Hello, hello po! Bisita natin nandito. Kaway-kaway naman po yung mga nasa dulo. Hi! Hello po sa inyo. And of course, to our guests na nandito sa aking harapan. Hello, hello po sa inyo. And of course, welcome po sa napaka-special na event na ito. Pero bago yan, syempre po, bago tayo tulong-umpisa ang ating programa for this afternoon, nais ko lang sana po makamusta kayong lahat. And I also want to check your vibe and energy this afternoon. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, maaari po ba ako makarinig mo muna mula ko sa inyo lahat na nandito ng isang malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang sigawan dyan! Yes! There you go. Ganyan dapat tayo kalakas ang energy natin. And at the same time, ganyan dapat po tayo kasaya. Because of course, we are all here united all together as one to celebrate one very momentous and very special occasion po for our newlyweds this afternoon. By the way, muli, good afternoon again sa ating lahat and welcome aboard here at the Terrace Manila. And we are all here. Tulad ka sabi ko kanina, we are all here to witness and also to celebrate the wedding reception of our newlyweds as Mr. and Mrs. Pelayo. Excited na po ba kayo? Excited na po ba ang lahat na makita up close and personal ng ating newlyweds? Palakpak nga po, ang gana. And of course, before we begin, syempre naman, hinihiling lang po namin ang lahat to please bear with us all throughout the program para mas mag-enjoy tayo. And if we would also like to request the presence of everyone po, especially po kapag nag-officially started tayo. Pero bago nga tayo tumungo sa exciting part ng ating program this afternoon, syempre naman po, I would like to grab this moment lang po to acknowledge the presence of our following principal sponsors and also the parents of our couple. So, pero before anything else po, syempre po, tatawagin ko po mga pangalan nila one by one, of course. And pag narinig po nila ang kanilang mga pangalan, kayo lang po ay katayo at kakamay na parang artista po. Para syempre, ma-recognize din tayo ng ating mga bisita. Okay, and so all our guests, you may also give them a round of applause. Alright, and with